This is a Pico projector. It's a world first folding projector. So actually, you can output your iPhone's photo gallery, as well as the YouTube videos, and also the videos that sync inside your iPhone. So besides displaying the iPhone's videos, we have the two different output cable. You can actually output your PC presentation slides to the projection, as well as the DVD player. You can connect your DVD and output the videos from DVD player to the projection itself. So it's a 1002 mAh battery. Okay, so you can actually charge your phone and power up the device at the same time. So the speaker is actually 2 watts and it's pretty powerful, as you can hear. And battery indicator signifies how much battery is left. Each indicator is 25%. Yep, so that's about it for this.
Yes, officers walking the loading bay to catch smokers and issue fines on the spot. Thank you.
Vitals look good.